In this video of the product data series, we'll be focusing on how to add and edit product offer installments in OrderLogix. Product offer installments are created in OrderLogix in order to break down a full product price into multiple payments, allowing the product to thus be shipped out when the first payment's captured and then to retrieve others based on a given structure. You first have to set the product offer up according to what the full product price is, and then it can be adjusted into payments in the installment section. Please refer to the Adding and Editing Product Offer tutorial for detailed information regarding setting up offers. Navigate to the Company Data desktop by clicking on the menu bar that is Company Data, and then by clicking on the Installments Sets hyperlink in the Product Data section. When viewing the installments list page, you'll notice columns that display the offer name, the client associated, the description of the installment, and the total number of the installments associated. You can click on the header in any of the columns to sort the list by that value in the column in ascending order. Simply click the header a second time to arrange the list in descending order. To add a new installment, click on the green plus sign icon on the right side of the Product Offer Installments header. This will launch the first part of the Create Product Offer Installments window. Select the client from the drop-down list that the installment should be associated to. However, if it should not be restricted to a certain client, you can leave it defaulted to all. Select the initial product offer name from the drop-down list that will then get broken down into multiple installment offers. When setting up installments, the system will automatically create additional base items and offers that will process for payment only. Therefore, the next drop-down menu is asking what item type for reporting you would like those offers to display in. Enter the total number of installments that you wish to have the product price broken down into, including the first one, and then enter how many days you wish to wait before the second payment should be due into the delay increment field. If you wish to have an initial fee charged on the first order date out of the product offer price, then you can enter that amount into the appropriate field. Keep in mind that if you do so, you will not be able to edit the other installments that will follow. Therefore, you do not want to use that feature if you would like to modify exactly what and when the customer is charged. There is a field called Maximum Skipped Payments, which would allow the customer to bypass a payment and put it on the end of their installment plan. The Distribute Shipping and Distribute Tax checkboxes will take the applicable amount and evenly disperse it over each of the installment created, rather than applying the value to the first installment, which is what will happen if you do not check the boxes off. You will want to check off the box to release only on prior paid if you do not want the next installment in line to be charged until the previous installment has been successfully captured for payment. Once you have all of those values entered into the window, you can click the Cancel button to cancel the changes, or the Delete button to delete the installment. The Print button will print the first installment window, and the Save button will save the changes and bring you to the second installment creation page. Most of the information on the top half of this window will display what you entered in the previous screen, with the exception of the credit card validation feature. If you check that box off, and then enter the amount of days that you wish for the system to check against the expiration date on the card, an order will not be able to be placed for a method of payment that's due to expire within the amount of days that you enter. The biggest benefit to this feature is ensuring that the credit card will remain valid throughout the entire installment plan in order to process payments. All of the installment offers for the plan will be visible below those features, and as long as you have not entered an initial fee on the previous screen, we'll have an Edit Pencil icon next to the additional installments that will allow you to edit the details. By clicking the green Edit Pencil icon, it will go ahead and open up options to modify the unit price for the offer placed on the order, as well as the shipping fee. You can also change the amount of days between installments and decide whether or not they are charge-only or service-only items. Once you've made the desired changes, you can click the floppy disk icon to save the changes or the arrow to cancel them. To cancel your changes without applying them, click the Cancel button. To print the product offer installment window, click the Print button. To save your offer, click the Save button, which will return you to the product offer installment list page in OrderLogix, where the screen will refresh and display your change. To edit an existing installment, simply click the green Edit Pencil icon to the left of the installment name. This will launch the Product Offer Installment window for the existing installment details where changes may be made. However, will be the second installment window, as the first one you see during a new installment creation cannot be accessed again. You will now have the additional option of deleting the installment by using the delete button to the right of the save and cancel buttons. Below the Save button, you will notice that there are data fields called Created and Modified. These will display the date and time that the installment was originally created, as well as the date and time of the last edit and the user who applied the changes. This concludes the tutorial on how to add and edit installments in OrderLogix.